We are in an era where people don't want to do regular jobs. Instead, they want to own a business and make employees work for them. Business gives more profit than a normal job if executed properly. It'll spare us more time to do other work, unlike a normal job, which consumes most of our time. Business provides us ownership and authority over it. It makes one independent to earn and grow. Every big company was once a small, struggling one, so it's okay to start a small business and make it big. So, here are some of the business ideas which can be implemented even by beginners. Let's get into the businesses one by one. Number one, tea stall. It's a fast growing business where investment is low. Profit percentage is very high. Doing business with day to day required items always keeps you on profit side. Majority people have tea with friends or to relieve stress. That's a demand to which we will supply. Variety of teas can also fetch more profit. Black tea and green tea are getting boost which require water mainly and little amount of tea dust. You can even open a stall in different locations as a franchise. Number two, Instagram influencer. If you're active on Instagram and have good number of followers, then this business is for you. You can be an advertising partner for brands and other new products. You just have to post in your Instagram account about the product and you will be paid per post. You need to be active on Instagram by posting your own posts to have good viewers and active followers. Number three, photography. If you have a creative mind and photography skill, then this business is for you. From birthday to weddings, everywhere a photographer is needed. You just need a good camera with equipment and you are ready to go. Even people buy random photos if they like. You can tie up with a function venue or advertise yourself through social medias. There are many online platforms that could help you sell your photos online, ranging from stock photo sites to print on demand shops that pay royalties to sell mugs, iPhone cases decorated with photos, etc. Number four, online tutoring. For this, you need good knowledge in subjects or have people with good subject knowledge. Nowadays, online classes are gaining high reach as everything is online. People want to learn in their free time rather than on specific time. You can create your own website or upload your videos on YouTube. If your videos get good views, you can also get good income from ads and some sponsors too. Check, Clubzy, and Preply are some of the online tutoring platforms. Number five, print on demand online business. It's a very simple business where you don't need to invest much money. You can use website for this business or do it through social media. In this business, you will be selling printed t-shirts. Where a customer orders a t-shirt, you will take that money and pay it to the supplier with your own design to be printed on it, and he will deliver it to the address. Here, you can act as a middleman, but your designs are your work. T-shirt printing takes less cost, but when you put your own designs on it, it becomes special and you can fix its cost even though printing cost remains same for all t-shirts. You don't need any warehouse to store your product. Printful and Shopify are some sites for this business. Number six, YouTuber. In this business, you need to create content to get views or to do live streaming. If you get good views, you can have good subscribers. Once you start getting good views, you can earn money. You can provide membership for your channel and get paid, or even from ads, you can get good revenue. Live streaming has reached new heights due to gaming. Majority of live streamers are gamers. You can have good fun and earn money simultaneously. You can be an advertising partner for brands and can earn by advertising their products in your channel. Number seven, freelancer. In this business, you can choose your own domain to work on. There are many domains like web designing, photography and videography, SEO, and many more. You can choose the domain based on your interests and skills. Even if you don't have skills, you can get some people with those skills and make them work for you. You can work on any projects for any company without bond. You should contact the clients and get a task from them. Later, work on it and submit it to the clients and you will be paid. Number eight, food courts. This business is growing rapidly each day. People are enjoying outside food more than homemade foods. Even many don't have time to cook their food. This demand provides us a way to establish food courts. You can sell breakfast with limited items and can earn good profit by working only for some hours. You can even sell local snacks, sweets too. You can hire good cooks and run this business. You can also get party orders and catering orders which are getting in demand. Number nine, content writing. It's incredible how writing may help you spread information, persuade people, and assist them. Customers may learn about services and goods, compare firms, and obtain information with the help of content writing in the business world. Blogs, articles, and SlideShare content are now part of business writing. You can get paid for creative contents. You can even hire content writers and make them work for you. You can do this business as a part-time since this kind of business needs more time and profits are moderate. Number 10, blogging. For the beginners, blogging is a part-time, easy to implement, zero investment business idea. To express yourself, you only need technical knowledge and skills. Direct advertising from your blog can help you make a lot of money. For this business, business also, you need viewers. So to get good viewers, you need to provide good content and share your blogs through social media for advertising it to get viewers. Finally, business requires technical skills or at least managing skills to make it profitable. You can always start from small and make it big. Students can also do these businesses as a part-time work. Meeting people and expanding your network is important. To the network only, your business can be increased. It's never too late, so look into your interests, learn skills and start your business today. If you guys found this video useful, then like, share and subscribe to our channel to get notified for further videos. And thanks for watching.